Hi guys, this is Shop Member here and welcome to the product Reversely. So this is the member area of this tool, and in this video I will be showing you the product totally from inside. I will show you every options, and I will be giving you also 10 crazy bonuses with this product totally free. Like, the bonuses are very simple, but the bonuses will be all about make money online. Okay, so that will help you enormously beautifully. Like, the bonus will be very powerful inside make money online. I will be showing you the bonuses a bit later, like after showing the product. Okay, so let me start with the product now. So this tool is all about making gift cards or QR codes or the reward card for your local business or online businesses. Okay, so let me start with the product. This is the dashboard of this tool. Once you have just started using this tool, once you have just going through using this tool, like you will face the dashboard, but inside your dashboard there will be no numeric statistics. After using some days, you will be there will be some numeric statistics. And let me now start with the store. So you can start with the tutorial videos also from the dashboard. You can check out the tutorial videos. I think you should check out the tutorial videos, then you should start the other things. So let me start with the create store. Once you have just started creating stores, your stores will be appearing here, but for this video let me start with the create stores. So let me put any random store name here, like the store name Sun, and let me put the location, and let me put the taste. Okay, so let me put taste, only taste, not taste. So let me select any time zone, like the Greenwich Mean Time, and let me click on save. So let me now upload my logo. So let me insert it, and I don't want to put my favicon for this video. Like, the favicon will be appearing here, and let me click on save now for this time for this video. I want to make the video faster. Okay, so let me click on visit. Once I have just clicked on visit, it is showing me my just created store. You can see here https://taste.reversely.io. okay, so you can edit it from here. You can visit, you can add reward, you can add gift, and auto responding feature, and also the retargeting code. I don't know what is retargeting code, and cname, clone, delete. Okay, let me start with the reward option now. So this is the dashboard of reward, and you have to put the reward stuff. Like, you can select your store, and you can give the reward instantly, or after a few days, or after a few time you want to give the reward. You can also do the thing, I want to give it instantly. And let me put here any reward name, like raw. Okay, so reward description, any random stuff. I want to put any random stuff, and you can mention here your reward point, and let me click on save. So the reward has been created, and you can now choose the template of your reward. By respecting your niche, you can select the templates here. You can edit them. Everything is customizable. You don't have to be worried. Like, you can select the color, you can change the color. Everything is customizable, as I have already told you. So button color has been changed, and the button text, everything is customizable. And you can send coupon through your email. You can use it inside email also. So the next thing is gift card. For the gift card, the thing is also similar like reward. You can put here the Johnny Sins. Okay, the gift card name, and the default currency USD, and the gift card I want to give after 1 day, and it would be paid. So it is successfully saved. So the next thing is it is successfully saved, and the next thing is variation, you can change the gift card name and the variations and the other stuffs, and you can choose the template also for this gift card. Like the rewards, you can also change the template, the customize the template, and also it is enabled for, it can be enabled for email notification. And this is the integration, like the PayPal integration, Stripe integration, or Razorpay integration, and these are the upgrades. Okay, now let me show you my bonuses and the other stuffs, like the additional stuffs. So these are the ratings, and it has got overall 9.7 out of 10, which is an outstanding rating, like the brilliant rating. And for the start, I think the price is little bit higher in my opinion for this tool. The starter pack is $37 and the enterprise is $47, and these are the coupon details. You can check out, you can use the coupon if you want to. And this is the launch period from 18th of March 11 AM. You can purchase it the New York time, the morning 11 AM. And these are the descriptions of this product, and you can go through them if you want to. You can check the also demo video I've already showed you, and you can also go through it. So this is my word, what I think about this tool I have written here, and these are the sales funnel. You can check out also via the video description link. And these are my bonuses. Now let me show you my bonuses. I want to do it a bit faster because my mom is calling me. So this is the free bonus. As usual, you can message me inside my Shopreneur page, Facebook page, and from there you will be answered about anything about Make Money Online. And my bonus number 1 is YouTube Explode, which is about YouTube channel boosting up. And the next thing is Bing Ad Master Training. And bonus number 3 is the deadly sins inside internet marketing. I want to correct myself, this should not be email marketing, as well as it is also be effective for internet marketing. Bonus number 4 is you can create from Facebook group more than $200 or near about $200 very easily, and you have to keep patience and you have to give effort. So that training will be given you inside Facebook, inside this pack, bonus number 4. Bonus number 5 is what are the affiliate marketing gurus are doing, that will be taught inside this pack, the video training pack, like Affiliate Velocity. This is a premium tool that will be given to you totally free. Bonus number 6 is Webinar Authority, which will help you to make every webinar successful very easily. And the vendor bonus is as usual the bonus number, what was the bonus number, I forgot. So bonus number 7 is vendor bonus. Like these bonuses will be given to you by the vendor by default. Once you have just purchased the tool from anywhere, you will be given the bonuses with the product, and also these bonuses with the product. And the next thing is upsell bonuses. Once you have just purchased the upsell, you will be given more bonuses from my website, like more softwares, more music packs, like image pack, doodle character images, that kind of stuff. So you can access the bonus by clicking the sky blue button. So that was overview of Rewardsly and also my bonuses. Think I have convinced you, or maybe I have made it very faster. I have made it very faster, and you have not you cannot understood anything. So I am leaving the video. I have to do it. I have some other works also, so I am wrapping up the video. So bye bye.